Mayor, the province of Batanes is recently struck with a series of strong earthquakes. Is Davao City prepared for calamities of such magnitude? How resilient is Davao City now?
Yes. In terms of preparedness nato sa earthquake, Pastor, we do citywide drill every year, twice a year. We join the national drill, and then we have our own Davao City drill spearheaded by our Davao City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. So iyang dalawang yan ang ginagawa natin for preparedness. And also, we invest sa ato ang disaster funds sa preparedness and response in the event na there will be a big earthquake in Davao City. Is Davao City resilient? The people are. Davaoenos are very resilient. Nakita natin sa mga, although Simbako, wala pa tayo dako na earthquake. Sige lang kung Simbako. When you are mayor, magsige kag yun. Diyos ko, Lord, ayaw, please. Simbako, wala tayo dako na earthquake. But doon na tayong mga baha and bagyo in the past. And then nakita nato na when it happens, everyone, all Davaoenos get together to help and to rehabilitate and to make sure that everybody goes back to their regular, ordinary life immediately. So, I think this is the best asset of Davao City, the resilient Davaoenos.
Mayor, thank you. Ano ang ginagawa pagka yung tinatawag na earthquake drills? Yung sa mga paaralan, yung sa mga... Paano ginagawa yun?
Opo, Pastor. Sa schools, sa mga government offices, private offices, business establishments, we ask them to participate. And then, ang ginagawa, Pastor, is that they create first their earthquake plan. In the event of an earthquake, what will our group, our establishment, our school do? And then they teach it dito sa mga employees nila and then sa mga students nila. And then they practice. So yun na yung actual drill nato. So I don't know if you've heard of the incident dito sa Turil. Kadtong nag-earthquake ta dire, but it was kanang dili kusog na earthquake, hindi malakas na earthquake sa atin. But there was an earthquake and then nagpanic ang mga bata. Nagpanic ang mga bata and then there was a stampede dito sa school nato sa Turil. Yes. So giingnan nako ang ato ang DepEd, ang ato ang teachers, giingnan nako sila. Nag-drill. Nag-drill kayo, pero nung nangyari na, nagpanic, nagkagulo ang mga bata, ibig sabihin hindi effective yung drill ninyo. So you have to do it again and again until yung children, when it happens, they know what to do kaagad. Hindi na sila, anong gagawin ko? Takbo, 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 takbo. Diba? So, yun yung sinabi ko sa kanila. Yun yung importance ng drill. Dapat i-practice paulit-ulit para kapag nandyan na, hindi magpanic yung students and employees and ating mga Davao City residents.
Ginagawa ito, Mayor, sa mga malalaking offices, lalo na yung mga high-rise, no?
Yes.
Private and public, no?
Dapat lahat, merong fire plan, merong earthquake plan, merong typhoon plan. It's part of a disaster manual ng isang organization. So, nakalagay na doon kung anong gagawin kapag ito yung disaster na nangyari. It's a big fire. Conflagration. So, ito yung gagawin. Earthquake, ito yung gagawin. So, lahat, alam nila kung anong gagawin nila kung meron mangyari sa Simbako.
Hindi yan mangyari.
But basta sa disaster, it's good to be prepared always.
Tama po.
Dapat alam mo kaagad kung anong gagawin mo.
Thank you, Mayor.